Welcome to this video on the landmark case of Nedira versus NJ World Corp. This video provides a comprehensive legal analysis concerning the survival of illegal dismissal actions following an employee's death, and examines the burden of proof in cases of constructive dismissal. In this first part, we will examine the factual background, the employment relationship, and the operational circumstances that led to this labor dispute. Florencio B. Nedira was hired as a taxi driver in 2010. He later filed a complaint for constructive dismissal, alleging he was placed on an indefinite floating status. The company denied these claims, asserting that he voluntarily stopped reporting to work after failing to remit his required daily boundary payments. Here is the procedural timeline. After Florencio filed his complaint in 2013, he passed away in 2014, prompting his widow to move for substitution. The labor arbiter dismissed the case, but the matter proceeded through various appeals until the Supreme Court en banc affirmed the dismissal. In this part, we address two key legal issues: the procedural question regarding the survival of a cause of action after death, and the substantive issue of proving constructive dismissal. The Supreme Court held that the strict civil rules on personal or real actions do not apply to labor suits. Because these cases involve public interest and statutory rights, the cause of action survives the death of an employee, allowing legal heirs to substitute. When it comes to the burden of proof, the employee must first establish the fact of dismissal with substantial evidence. Only then does the burden shift to the employer. Furthermore, hearsay allegations from heirs without direct personal knowledge are insufficient to meet this evidentiary threshold. This table summarizes the rulings at each adjudicative level. While all levels allowed for the widow's substitution, the final outcomes varied significantly regarding the proof of dismissal, ultimately resulting in the petition being denied at the Supreme Court level. In applying these principles to Nedira's case, we see an evidentiary defect. Florencio passed away without testifying, and his widow lacked direct personal knowledge. Her claims remained uncorroborated hearsay, failing to meet the required standard of substantial evidence. Key takeaways for practitioners include that illegal dismissal complaints survive an employee's death, and heirs may substitute. However, the initial burden of proof remains on the worker or their heirs, making the preservation of direct, verified evidence critical. Thank you for watching this video lecture on Nedira versus NJ World Corp. We hope this analysis has been informative regarding the survival of action and burden of proof in labor law. This video utilized images from the following sources, as listed here on screen.